Now is available at McCarthy Cars BMW 5 Series 520 diesel, metallic blue. The car has front daylight, it's got front parking sensor, front fog lights. Car has rear parking sensors, got reversing camera. Split folding rear seats. Full cream leather interior, it's got sides and front airbags, 5 headrests, ISOFIX. For electric window, electric and a folding mirror, front auto headlights, got electric seat. Car has satellite navigation, has reversing camera, telephone, Bluetooth connection, media. Car has DAB radio. Push button to start, 2-zone climate control, air conditioning, got heated seats, automatic transmission. Car has Eco Pro mode, comfort, sport, multifunction steering wheel, cruise control. Thank you for watching.